Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to integrate the Bootstrap date picker inside your Vue.js 3 application in different languages as well. So you will see it's a Hindi language. So you can also, depending upon your country and native language, you can integrate this calendar or date picker in different languages. So this is your date picker. You can see you can pick any date and then it will say selected date is this format. This is a form input field for picking dates. It's a calendar. If you see, you can adjust the year like this, then the month. You can pick any month here. So by default, it's showing it the month name in a language here, Hindi, which is relevant in Indian country. But here in this code, you can adjust the country depending upon if you now want to show Arabic, you will say Arabic two-letter digit code, which is you will include this file and then instead of Hindi you will say Arabic. So now what happens if you check, so the dates months will be shown in Arabic. So by default, if you don't provide anything, this option, by default the language is English language. So if you try to refresh now, the months will be displayed in a English language. So calendar, this is actually the module that I want to show you, which is called as Vue flat picker component. So if you go to the website here npmjs.com, just search for this, which is Vue flat picker component. So it's a specifically for Vue.js 3. The command is simple. I've already installed it. It's almost having 65,000 weekly downloads. So it's a pretty popular package. So now to integrate this, I will show you step by step. So go to your app.vue file, which is your main component file in Vue.js. So first of all, here we need to make a template, and for this we do need the Bootstrap CDN. So I will just include it in the Bootstrap CDN. Essentially it is using Bootstrap in the background, and here we simply say select a date, and then the user will select the date inside this form input field. So we're just attaching this class which is input group, and then we embed this component flat picker, and this takes some options. But for integrating this, now we just need to write our TypeScript code. So first of all, we will require all the necessary packages, which is reference from Vue, which is a base package. And then we import the Bootstrap CDN. So Bootstrap dist CSS bootstrap.css, and then we import this package, which is flat picker, coming from Vue flat picker component. And for this we also need to import its CSS file as well. So you can see we have imported this module and also the CSS file as well. So after you do this, so you can check out their documentation. They have various themes about their calendar and date picker. One such theme we will be using is, it's located inside your dist/themes, and we'll be using this material blue theme CSS. So we just need to include this as well. So then we need to declare a date. So we will just say a date variable. The format is to year followed by the month and then the day. So 2022, it's a October month, 28th of October 2022. This is your date that you declared. So now we need to provide this config object, which will be your configuration object for using this module. So we'll simply put the wrap property to true and the alt format property to the format that you want. So I want this format month JY. This is the actual format. So essentially you provide the config object right here. This is your config object containing these 4 properties. So now the TypeScript code is complete. We come now to the template. So where we do need to display this calendar or date picker. We provide the V model, which is your essentially your date variable, and then the config object, which is located inside your config object that we declared. And you can even give it a custom class, which is a form control. You can give it a placeholder text. So I will simply say to the user that simply select date, and also will be binding this name parameter date. So if you try to refresh your browser, you will see this input field will be added, but if I click this, nothing happens. Now to open that calendar or modal window, so for doing this, this is your Bootstrap modal section. So just after, when it's ending, so just paste it right here. So I have given all the source code in the description. So basically what happens right here, if you see, we have binded these buttons, and this is your font awesome calendar icon. We have the toggle button, and then we got our clear button as well. So if you see now, you will see the calendar being opened, which contains the months and the year name. You can select your date, and then the date is displayed right here. So all the source code I've given in the description. So in this way you can integrate this package. And last but not least, if you do want to change the language, there is this property local, where you need to provide whatever language that you have. Let's suppose Hindi, then we need to import this language. So we say Hindi coming from that I already showed you. So thank you very much for watching this video. So do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.